in normal days you call us like Chinese, momos and everything. When some Northeast girls they do good, and now you call us Indian. But I'm a very positive person, you know. So what I want to do is that, you know, I want the whole India to be proud of me, and even if, like, you know, to accept it.
बेसिकली एज ए कोच हम लोग दो ही चीज़ में मेन फोकस रहते हैं। एक है हार्ड वर्क और एक है डिसिप्लिन। तो जब मैं सोनम को पहले फर्स्ट टाइम देखा यहाँ पे, वो बहुत डिसिप्लिन थी, एवरीडे ट्रेनिंग आते थे, कभी मिस नहीं करती थी, कोई एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं थे। ये सब चीज़ बहुत अट्रैक्ट करा मुझे वो, और मुझे लगा कि वो आगे जाके अच्छा फाइटर बन सकती है।
This was the first time, like, you know, since I told you, I was really interested in martial arts since very young, but I never got an opportunity to learn or to do anything.
लेकिन उनका मम्मी जो है वो बिल्कुल देख नहीं पाते, उसका तो बस जान निकल जाती है, मतलब कैसे कैसे करेगा, क्या करेगा।
I know even my, like, you know, mother used to tell me, like, do any other sports, why MMA, like, you know, why MMA, you can do any other sports you want and I will be supportive of this, but please don't do MMA.
लेकिन मैंने बोला अभी मतलब उसको, वो उसका खुद का वो है तो उसको चॉइस करने दो, क्या होता है बाद में देखा जाएगा करके।
It was actually secret from the very beginning only. I never actually told them I was training.
MMA जो स्पोर्ट्स है ये बहुत डिटेल है। लाइक आपको इसमें फिजिकल, मेंटल हेल्थ, फिजिकल तो हमको सही है, उसमें क्या है मेंटल भी हेल्थ बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए, आपको साइकोलॉजिकली ठीक होना चाहिए।
I had no idea what MMA was. I had a friend, like, I came here for college, like studies, like for studies. So I had a friend who used to do here, like, so she introduced me to Bidang, but they taught me the basic. So I was in the basic, and here they used to do sparrings and everything. I used to watch that, and slowly, like, I went step by step. I wasn't not in a hurry because I was really enjoying it. Like, for me, it was never like I want to go there and fight as soon as possible. For me, it was like I want to learn it. So, like, you know, I know it took me a little while because I actually was enjoying the process. I was like learning the basic and all very nicely, and all of a sudden, like, I got a huge call from like a big promotion, right? So I was in the airport and I've never been on a flight. From there I called my mother, Mom, I'm like, you know, I'm getting a chance to fight somewhere, so I'm in the plane now, I'm going.
हाँ फर्स्ट वाली हाँ मैंने देखा था उस समय, वो मुंबई में जाकर वो किया था।
She's like, can you do it? Like, because she had no idea what this is and how things are. She's like, can you do it? Are you sure about it? I'm like, yes, I think I can do it.
Here we go. You can see that both fighters staying tentative now. Look at that. Comes over with the body kick. Looks for that toss. Here we go.
The head nonchalant.
Julia turn.
She's
Julia
right into
turn.
that position. But look at the reversal we got from Zoma.
Very, you know, nightmare for me because I was really, like, you know, excited to go and show something.
Nicely done.
Into mount from that.
It was very devastating and, like, it was very painful for me, but
No doubt, especially her
Arms
left
will
arm.
be heavy. And that is going to... Oh, wait. Look at this. Hang on.
my hand got dislocated in like the first 30 or seconds, like that.
Is that the referee called time or inactivity or what happened?
I'm not sure exactly what this stoppage is right now. I don't think anybody tapped him. He might have an injury.
Oh, it's over. It's an injury. The doctors, the referee.
Everything heals with time, but you know, like the thing that I couldn't perform, like the thing that, you know, I wish I would have done a little more. I wish I could have shown people what I can actually do. That thoughts was like, you know, they were literally killing me, and I went home and people were like, you know, I got bashed in national television.
तो उस समय हमको याद है वो इंजर्ड हो गया था, वैसे वो भारी पड़ रहा था उस पे, लेकिन उसका हाथ निकल गया था, मेरा हाथ मतलब।
So they weren't like I dislocated an arm and wouldn't able to pay, but they were more like she went there and she got bashed, so everybody was talking like that. So those parts were really hurtful.
तो ऐसे ये सिचुएशन सब फाइटर, सब एथलीट की लाइफ में आता है। तो कभी ना कभी सोनम की टाइम पे भी, सोनम के साथ भी होता है ऐसा।
नहीं, हमको इतना कुछ नहीं लगा क्योंकि हार जीत तो मैच में होते ही रहता है, तो एक को हारना ही पड़ेगा, एक को जीतना ही पड़ेगा ना।
अगर आप एमएमए एथलीट बनने आपको ये सबसे पहले गुजर के आना पड़ेगा। आपको कोई यहाँ पे मतलब शाबाशी देने के लिए या फिर आपको प्यार से समझाने के लिए कोई आएंगे नहीं, क्योंकि ये स्पोर्ट्स ही ऐसा स्पोर्ट्स है कि यहाँ पे मतलब आपको इट्स लाइक अ डू एंड डाई।
I was literally ready to go because I felt like नहीं हो रहा है, बार-बार इंजरी हो रहा है.
फास्ट उसका MCL टीयर हुआ था, वो मुझे बोल रहे थे कि आई एम डन, आई वांट टू गो बैक टू माय होम. सो
तो मैंने बोला अभी क्यों करना है, मैंने भी बोला है कई बार कि आप छोड़ दीजिए इसको, क्यों कर रहे हो.
I was in a part where I was like where to go, where not to go, what to do, and that part was also like to decide like where my career goes. Like I was completing my studies and then I had an injury, so those nights were very difficult. Like
तो मैंने उसको वही सीखा कि मैंने उसको 2 साल की टाइम मांगा. मैंने उसको ये आई थिंक 21 की बात है, 21-22 की बात है. तब तक सोनम आज की सोनम जुम्बा नहीं था, वो जस्ट एक अमेचर फाइटर था.
in fact many of them told me that it's 99% tear and then you have to go for a surgery, like
बट मैं 100% श्योर था कि वो टैलेंटेड है, वो अच्छा स्टेज तक जा सकती है.
and then they said there is 3% chance, like 0.3% chance that it can heal on its own.
ये इंजरी में 6 महीने में ठीक कर दूंगा तुम्हारा, उसके बाद तुम और 1.5 साल 2 साल मुझे टाइम दो. उसकी इन 2 साल में अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर पाए तो डेफिनेटली आप घर से ले जाओ.
And then what I did, like I realized that whenever I train I feel good. Like if I don't train, like my head eats me up, so even if I was injured I was training. So I worked on that. I tried to heal myself and then slowly it recovered and I was able to fight again. I know I was injured from low, but I used to do my boxing, and that's why I have a really good left kick. My right knee was injured, so I was working on my left kick continuously, left knee continuously. So what I did was I turned my disadvantage into advantage.
सोनम ने MFN के साथ साइन कर लिया और पहला फाइट ही जो इंडिया का सुपरस्टार था जुजू कुमारी,
वो तो वहाँ का सुपरस्टार था.
There were days where I barely had sleep, but I had to work more than competition. I can't live like the opposition, living everything I dreamed of, doing everything you think of. The way I work, I'm on the brink of doing numbers like a brink truck.
You know what? You want to be a champion, right? So you cannot be like them. You have to do something extraordinary so that you can be the champion. So you have to, that's when I knew that I cannot be an ordinary person. I have to do something extraordinary.
सोनम जब पहली बार टाइटल फाइट खेली या फिर प्रिपेयर कर रही थी, मेरा गोल यही था कि मैंने जो गलती किया 2 बार में, सोनम से ये गलती नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करके फाइट टाइटल बैट लेके आया.
तो हमको ऐसे नहीं लगा था कि वो इतना दूर तक ऐसे खेल के जाएगी करके.
If you're good, things will work out. It will actually work out. Just believe in yourself. Maybe not today, आज नहीं होगा, कल नहीं होगा, परसों थोड़ा होगा, फिर धीरे धीरे करके हो जाए.
I can't live like the opposition, living everything I dreamed of, doing everything you think of. The way I work, I'm on the brink of doing numbers like a brink
Come
truck.
on, this fight can be stopped, and the referee saved Luring the winner by TKO. Sonam!
आपको बेटी तो स्टार हो गया, उसका तो पूरा जगह मतलब गुवाहाटी में देखता हूँ उसका पोस्टर बड़ा बड़ा है. ईटानगर में जाता हूँ तो वहाँ नाहरलगुन में बड़ा बड़ा पोस्टर्स है.
People were very happy with my performance, and after that I won again in MFN. It was in 2023. I was doing really good. So many of them, they came up and they told me, what, if you ever need help, we will help you. When you're doing good, people are willing to help you. In 2024, I had another knee injury and I had to go for a surgery. So that I was asking few people, because I wouldn't have asked them, but they were the one who told me, if you ever get into trouble, you can always contact us. And I literally did that, but there was no response
अगर सोनम क्विट करता है, वो छोड़ देता है, तो सबसे बड़ा लॉस जो है वो MMA इंडिया कम्युनिटी को होगा, क्योंकि आज की दिन में सोनम एशिया का नंबर 1 रैंक में है और वैसा एक एथलीट हम लोग प्रोड्यूस करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाएंगे.
That's when I realized that people say that when you are up, but there are really few people who helps you when you're in low. But I had sir and I have my family, so that was good thing for me. So I was like, no, I cannot be this one. I will work hard and I will show them, you didn't help me, that's fine, but I'm gonna do it, you know, like.
वो मतलब अपनी स्पोर्ट्स के लिए एमएमए के लिए कुछ भी सेक्रीफाइस करने के लिए रेडी है। मैं सोनम को मतलब बहुत अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ इस बात के लिए कि उसने ट्रेनिंग भी ऐसे किया था। मैंने अपने पूरा करियर में एक एथलीट को ऐसे ट्रेनिंग करते हुए नहीं देखा।
I know it's a tough journey. I've been hurt, I've been broken, I've been injured before, but I've always been consistent. Motivation comes and goes, but it's consistency that gets you where you want to be. I've only one goal in mind, to train every day and become the best version of myself.
ये चीज़ के लिए सोनम जो है ना चैंपियन सोनम जुम्बा बनाए।
I am the champion. You want to be the champion. I have to work like a champion. That was like, you know, slowly shifted everything. I didn't want it to be an athlete that was forgotten. You know, like no, it shouldn't be like ऊपर आया फिर गायब हो गया. No, I'll keep on going up.
I'm ready to play now. Put me in the game now. I came here to prove it. I'm ready to do it. I can't be afraid now. Put me on the stage now. I'm ready to rage now. I feel like an animal stuck in a cage and I'm ready to break out. So what are you afraid of? Those feelings are made up. Get in the game, your moment of fame, show them what you made of. It's time that we stand up. It's time that we man up. For anyone asking who is the best, we putting our hands up. My time, my time.
For your winner, and now the MFN Female Strawweight Champion, Sonam Zamba.
Incredible.
पूरे करियर में काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्टी था, काफ़ी क्रिटिसिज्म था, काफ़ी नेगेटिविटी था, लाइक सर्जरीज, इंजरीज, अगेन इंजरीज। बट सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ का जिद था कि मैंने इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया इसमें, मैंने इतना मेहनत किया इसमें, कुछ तो बड़ा हासिल करके रहूँगी। एंड आज वही जिद है जो मुझे और आगे लेके जाएगा, वही जिद है जो मुझे और मेहनत के लिए वो करवाता है। एंड टुडे आई नो आई एम जस्ट ए नॉर्मल रेगुलर फाइटर, but one fine day the whole world will know who Sonam Zomba is.